Hey, Cam.
Hey y'all, we just want to start the video off like this because we want to let you know where we've been. We apologize we hadn't made a lot of videos recently, but due to schedule and work schedules and biblical feast, if you don't know what those are, go back to Leviticus and read. Just read the whole book, because if you don't know some things, hopefully the Lord will open your eyes. If you don't believe it, read the New Testament too. It didn't change any. And we had a death in the family, an unexpected death at that. A young one. Like she was very young, so it was very unexpected death. But we do apologize that we haven't been around. We are back making videos again. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell, so you know we got videos coming out. Remember, this is a channel we're flipping the 1960s to 70s office building into a home, and you might get little nip bits of other things. What else might come? Stay tuned to the end to see what we've added to the property. So it's not just about renovating the house. That's the main thing. It's about renovating the whole property. So stick around.
Okay, y'all. We're back at the place my wife likes to live at, Lowe's. Oh, but we're here to start getting stuff for the living room. As you may have seen past videos, that we pretty much got the kitchen completed. So I hope you guys liked the video where it showed what it used to be and what it is now. Cause yeah, it's fabulous. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you know when we got videos coming out. Let's get this Lowe's party started. What else are you getting there?
More stuff.
What stuff?
Bend your knees. Hey, there's two of them. They're connected.
Oh yeah, that's right, I forgot. I didn't work out today, but I did today. What? Donkey. What am I supposed to do with that? Ride it?
Oh, that's horse thing.
That's a donkey.
But it's a horse. You know what I mean? You know we had the plastic ones?
Oh, that. I'm gonna say, why does
It's all worse.
anything to do with a horse when that's
Yeah.
a donkey?
Yeah, they like the donkeys better, apparently.
And I was like, oh.
I'm not. Did you find it? I caught you on camera.
How does something like this, called s'more, and something like this? No sense.
None.
This is America.
What?
We don't need no cult. We don't need to cult nobody. We got our phones, but we don't need to call for nobody. We're good. Okay. Hey Tim, how was work today? If y'all know where that comes from, drop it down in the comments.
It's squished.
You see this guy? You know who this is? He could be a detective. He can be pink. And he can also be an animal. So what is he? Pink Panther.
Done. Ow.
Talking about getting sheetrock in a minivan. Oh my gosh. I about threw my back out.
I helped. Okay.
She helped. That's why. Whoa.
That's why there's no video of it.
There's no video of it. But if I still had my Toyota, it'd been easier.
Yeah. We're Toyota people. We like Honda too, but we're Toyota people.
We're not pros, but boy, I'm gonna put this card in the pro cart return for real. After all of this loading of this van, you gotta be a pro.
The pro cart return.
Hey.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, Mo.
Alright guys, so we're back doing electrical outlets. Got to replace these. So there's this one and there's this one over here. And then we'll be good to put the insulation and the walls back up. So that one's done, ready to go. Alright guys, so we're super excited about getting into the living room and renovating that. But before we can do that, we're actually going to build a wall here. As you guys have seen in earlier episodes, we don't have a lot of wall space. We have windows, we have things on the walls in the kitchen. I don't have a lot of wall space, so I need wall space for functionality and things. So we are going to be putting a wall here, and I know it's really close to the bedroom, but to us this just makes the most sense. So it'll be super simple. This will have to be moved over, and we'll have just enough room for our fridge. What?
That.
I can't see that from the hair, babe.
That.
Yeah, that's not long.
What is that then? 7 inch one ohm? I'm seeing if the other stuff fits first.
I don't know.
Oh.
Almost there.
What they are is what they are is demons.
I'm sure. Just enough.
$38 and $3 for $49. Where's the one?
You know, they're gonna make sure it's straight. Everybody's straight.
Where's your one?
But is it on the bottom?
I got bit by something.
A little bit more. Will you see this the same down there as it is coming up there?
Holy cow.
I have a whole pack of knives. I don't know where they are. Let's measure it. $38. Here, babe. $38. Let's say 2 before the 39. 2
That's what they want you to anyway, then that way I'm. Right in the doorway.
Same.
Yeah, so not finishing it today. Did you have cut? Not much. It's not much. Dang it.
got food in it.